Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the Prime Minister opening the Garmex Freezone expansion. Now guys, it seems like every day some new development is opened in Jamaica. You really have to admire what's going on, redevelopment in Jamaica. Now, the tourism industry in Jamaica is doing extremely well. It's on track to have almost 80,000 hotel rooms in the near future. But people always ask about manufacturing. Well, that's what this Garmex Freezone is about. Companies come here, set up, and they manufacture stuff. And this is one of many facilities like this across Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this Garmex Freezone. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness officially opened Phase 1 of the Garmex Freezone redevelopment and expansion project located on Marcus Garvey Drive in Kingston. The project, which is fully funded by the Factories Corporation of Jamaica, FCJ, is aimed at providing additional space for manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, among other activities. Phase 1, which was completed at a cost of approximately $1.1 billion, comprises 31 units, occupying approximately 126,000 square feet of space. The unit includes 22 mini warehouses for micro, small, and medium-sized businesses, 6 mixed-use spaces, and 3 warehouses. The first phase also includes the development of the main entrance and security posts located on Industrial Terrace. Dr. Holness said the expansion project is a clear indicator of the government's intent to have Jamaica established as a leader in logistics and manufacturing and an investment destination. He commended Factory Corporations of Jamaica for the successful execution of Phase 1 of the project, for which ground was broken in May 2020. Nearly 5 decades ago, the Garmex Freezone was established, and since then it has been the cornerstone of industrial development in Jamaica. It has become a catalyst for job creation, particularly in the 1980s and early 90s, employing at its peak over 12,000 Jamaicans, Dr. Holness pointed out. Over the years, this complex has evolved to serve as a hub for manufacturing, logistics, warehousing, and even education and healthcare. Today, it is the most diverse free zone in Jamaica and the largest commercial industrial complex on the island, he noted. The new facilities at Garmex Freezone, which became operational more than 2 years ago, have garnered almost $200 million annually in revenue, which will be pumped back into the project. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.